Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Umul Qura Public School online classes. It is your English lecture and this lecture is for grade 5. Our topic is adverb and kind of adverbs. I am your teacher Adam. So let's start our today's topic. First of all, here is table of content. Introduction to adverbs, adverbs of manner, time, place, frequency, degree, and in the end comes conclusion. Adverbs. What are adverbs? Adverbs are word-style words that modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs providing crucial details about manner, time, place, frequency, or degree. For example, she walked slowly through the park. The baby slept soundly. She walked slowly. Slowly is an adverb in this sentence. The baby slept soundly is an adverb in this sentence. It is giving information or modifying the verb itself. Adverbs means add something to the verbs. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner elucidate how an action is performed, enriching narratives and with vivid imagery. For example, swiftly, gracefully. They breathe life into the sentence, painting a vivid picture of action and behaviors. Adverb of time. Adverb of time modifies a verb by describing when, for how long, or how often an action happens. For example, yesterday, now, soon. Usage they show the order of events and help reader or listener follow a story in the time order. Adverbs of place. Adverbs of place is a word that tells us where something happens. It gives us information about the location of an action. Example, here, there, everywhere. They transport readers to different environments, fostering immersive storytelling and spatial awareness. Adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency indicate how often an action transpires, shaping the rhythm and tempo of communication. Always, occasionally, seldom. Where we use it, they portray habits, routines, and anomalies with precision. Adverbs of degrees. Adverb of degree quantify or intensify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs, amplifying expression and emphasis. For example, very, quite, extremely. Usage they add subtle shades of strength and importance to the language. Now I have explained all the kinds of adverbs. You will be able to solve any exercise related to the topic. This is an image of exercises, page number 25 from English Skills Book 5. Okay? Adverbs, what is the conclusion? Adverbs are powerful tools in communication. Use them wisely to captivate and persuade. Keep practicing to improve your language skill. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.